Yo, I'm going in. Fuck that, nigga. I'm going in.
I'ma tell you who I am, I'ma tell you who I'm not. A snitching motherfucker getting paid from the cops to survive in the street like a modern day rat. Who fools on the attack, who wanna live like that. Must be nice for many, a sweet cool stack. Cause a broke motherfucker got sense to sell crack. Ain't no opportunity for a job or to work overseas. Now all we got left to do is rob. Deep within the system, it's hard to resist them. They flaunt it, put them in a fiend, yo, I want it. Breaking commandments cause I wanna jump on it. Live like the privileged black weird speak on it. We gotta take it cause they sure won't give it. This ain't no game, this poverty, son, I live it. I gotta do it any means necessary. Cause digging in the trash for a meal is scary. If you's a devil trying to spit, learn the history of the game. You's a guest in the shit. If you's a youngin' trying to spit since 2000 for the money and the fame, you's a guest in the shit. See niggas on TV, now all of a sudden you wanna rhyme. You's a guest in the shit. Japanese style, take them shoes off when you steppin' in my shine. You's a guest in the shit. If the spectrum's broad, why they intelligent get so much shine? Crackers putting niggas in they rhyme. Homo spitting 16, shit's blowing my mind. Gotta redefine how a G spit a line. Word up, this plain field, sorta inclined. Gotta shift weight for balance, even force it this time. Watch out, it's a hate crime approaching that kind. So I'll be just fine to be about mine. Till my name get loosely spoke. In about 5.3 you find out I'm no joke. Taking life serious, following laws from the Most High. It's this direction of my cause to educate the trials behind music. And I love it, you'll learn something and still get stupid. They trying to shut us down but we hold too much knowledge. You'll come around me kicking that garbage. If you's a devil trying to spit, learn the history of the game. You's a guest in the shit. If you's a youngster trying to spit since 2000s for the money and the fame, you's a guest in the shit. See niggas all of a sudden on TV, now your ass wanna rhyme. You's a guest in the shit. Japanese style, take your shoes off when you steppin' in my shine. You a guest in the shit.
Yeah, nigga, this our shit, nigga. Stay in your motherfucking lane. When you wanna rep our shit, nigga, you look up the black gods, nigga. You look up who originated this shit, nigga. That's what it is. Stay the fuck out of my shit.